Hey everyone, David the Infoman here, and welcome to my Freebie Commissions review. Now, inside this video, I'm going to go over everything that you need to know about Freebie Commissions, the dashboard, what's included in the training, all of the bonuses, the upsells, the whole funnel. But most importantly, I'm going to be showing you some custom bonuses that I have prepared for you if you decide to pick up Freebie Commissions from the link down below this video inside the description. And I'm going to be giving you advanced training on how to use this system and how to get traffic to this system so you could start making sales in the back end. So what is Freebie Commissions? So Freebie Commissions is a web-based app that gives you done-for-you campaigns that you can promote as an affiliate and give away for free, collecting email addresses and then making money in the back end. So this is how it works. You're going to be promoting these done-for-you campaigns in which your affiliate link will be placed in this free giveaway. So you're going to be giving away something for free, an entire course for free. So usually something on Warrior Plus would cost like $12 or $13 to buy the front end. You're going to be giving away a product for free that usually costs $13, but the person is going to be paying $0. And then on the back end, you're going to be making money through all those upsells that the person has to go through in order to actually get a hold of the front end product. So that is how Freebie Commissions works. You're going to be collecting emails. You're going to be giving away a product. And then in the back end on the product's upsells, that's where you're going to be making all your money. So let's go ahead now without wasting any time and dive right into Freebie Commissions. So as you can see here, I am on the dashboard of Freebie Commissions. This is what you're going to see once you purchase the product. So you're going to see this welcome video. You're going to have a link to the YouTube channel of the creator, and you're going to have the link to the training right here. So let me just go ahead and show you the YouTube channel. So as you can see right here, it's by a guy who named his channel Super Affiliate Millionaire Lay on YouTube. But the actual person who is the vendor of this is Glenn Kosky. And this is him right here. So he is the creator of the product, and he will be the one that is, orchestrating the product, but the training will be done by this person right here. He's going to be doing all the training videos. So this is the dashboard, and this is what you're going to see. Before we dive deep into all of these different sections, all the training, all the funnels and all that, let's go ahead and first go over the sales page. So here is the sales page for Freebie Commissions, and the headline says how we make up to $497 from every person we give a free product to. So what they're saying with this headline is they're making $497, but that's going to be the most that you're going to be making. That's also assuming that every single person that comes through your funnel buys every single one of those upsells, which isn't very likely. So that right there, I'm just going to say, isn't an honest number of what you're going to be making by promoting just one product to one person, because it's unlikely that one person's just going to buy the entire funnel. It does happen, but it's rare. So you can expect to make more, probably like $27 to $100 per person that comes through the funnel. Definitely not $497 per person who comes through the funnel. No paid traffic, no product creation, no selling. That is correct, because you're giving away a done-for-you campaign for free. You're giving away an entire course for free. There is absolutely no selling because you don't need to sell anything. You're just collecting email addresses by giving away a free course. There are some bullet points here, lots of good information. You can scroll down here. You can see how the system works. Step 1, select your free offer, which they give you offers, but they also give you the ability to create your own offer inside of the web-based app. Number 2 is you're going to add your affiliate link for the Warrior Plus product that you're going to be promoting and giving away for free. And then get viral traffic and sales. Now this is where I'm going to have you covered with my bonuses. There is some training on how to get traffic to these web pages, but in my bonuses, I'm going to be giving you advanced strategies for getting traffic to these pages, and you're not going to want to miss that, because I have a lot of experience with getting traffic from YouTube. I'm also going to teach you how to get traffic from Instagram, and I'm going to teach you how to get traffic from Quora. It's one of my little hacks that I've created a tutorial for on how to get traffic from Quora. So stay tuned. I'm about to talk about all that good stuff. So down here, it just talks about, give away something for free and you build your list. Here are some earning statements, some payment proof that they have here for how much they've earned using this system. So that's all included. They also have some testimonials. So go ahead and check out the sales page on your own time. Now, in order to get to the sales page, all you have to do is click on the link down below this video inside the description. It'll take you to my bonus page, which looks like this. If you click on any of these green buttons, it will take you back to the sales page, which we just went over in detail. So this is my bonus page. Now let's go ahead and talk about these custom bonuses that I have prepared for you if you decide to purchase from my link. So scroll down, you'll see a bunch of information about Freebie Commissions. If you scroll a little bit farther, you're going to see my bonuses. Now, bonus number 1, I'm going to teach you how to rank YouTube videos using advanced SEO tactics. So I use this stuff every single day. I'm going to break down my system of how I create a YouTube video that ranks and beats other channels that are bigger than me. Bonus number 2, I'm going to give you my secret YouTube hack system. So people do have secrets, right? And I reveal my secret system that I use to rank YouTube videos in bonus number 2. This is a YouTube web-based app that's free to use, but it gets you likes, comments, shares, subscribers, and everything that you need to rank your YouTube videos in bonus number 2. Definitely high quality right there. Bonus number 3 is my Quora hack that I mentioned earlier. This is going to teach you how to get tons of traffic from Quora, how to outrank your competitors by kind of gaming the system, and you're going to get tons of traffic from Quora if you follow this step by step. Bonus number 4 is Facebook Money Secrets. I'm going to tell you how to get people from Facebook without really promoting anything, get them to this Freebie Commission system and start building up your email list and start making money on the back end upsells like we talked about earlier inside Freebie Commissions. So that's bonus number 4. Bonus number 5, I'm going to teach you step by step how to build an Instagram account from scratch. So get your profile all in a line and get tons of followers organically without using any kind of black hat methods. So no follow and unfollow. This is going to be organic reach right here in this Instagram hack. Now, there is a 30-day money-back guarantee for Freebie Commissions. So if you don't like it for any reason and you want your money back, you can do so because there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now let's go ahead and dive into the dashboard. So like I said, here's the welcome page. You can go down here. This is your profile where you're going to program your email address and your password. Right here is the training tab. So let's go ahead and dive into the training. And I'll show you exactly everything that the product creators go over in the training section. So the overview is right here. It just teaches you how to use Freebie Commissions and what the overall experience is and what the overall plan to put this into action is. And then down here you have how to set up your done for you campaigns. And then this is going to teach you how to actually create your own opt-ins, how to put your autoresponder in there so you can collect leads, giving away these free Warrior Plus products. And then right here is how to create your social images. So also built inside of this web-based app over here on the left is a social image creator. So it's going to teach you basically how to use that and how to create social images so that you can sell these, or not sell, give away these free products and using these social images. Now it's going to teach you down here how to use the bonus builder. Now the bonus builder is a really cool thing. It allows you to build bonuses and put things together and make custom bonuses. And that's going to be given away as a upsell. So it will be an extra charge, and I'll explain that once we get into the funnel. Now he goes over the traffic strategies, but remember, I have you covered in my bonuses for these traffic strategies. He's going to teach you how to use solo ads in this one. He's going to teach you how to use video in this one. Definitely, he's not going to be showing you the advanced stuff that I'm going to be showing you, though, in those traffic strategies. And then right here, he's going to show you how to use Instagram to get more traffic. So those are all of the trainings that is in the training section. Now you go down here to done for you funnels. This is where your done for you funnels are, the ones that you're going to actually be promoting and giving away for free in order to collect leads and make money on the back end. So they give you 2 products, Commission Shortcut and Triple Traffic Bots. Now you can go ahead and click here and view what these look like. So it's just this here, discover the number 1 trick that made me $200 in 60 minutes. Email address puts in there, instant access, get it now. That's going to be the opt-in. So the other one right here is Triple Traffic Bots. Now you can go here. This is affiliate info. This is where you're going to be plugging in your affiliate links. And this right here is where you can actually build your new campaigns. So if you get the unlimited version, which I'm going to talk about in the funnel, you can build unlimited campaigns right here in the campaign builder. So as you can see here, you can put together your own campaigns for whatever Warrior Plus product you want. So essentially this is, giving you the ability to put together any campaign out there on the Warrior Plus platform. Now they also give you the Warrior Plus database inside the app so that you can actually search for different products that you want to promote. You can search vendor names, you can search the names of the product, and you can promote any of these once you get your affiliate link approved in the back end of Warrior Plus. So here is all the information. Gives you the vendor, gives you the place right here. This is the link to get your affiliate link approved. This is the name of the product. So all of this is included inside of the front end of Freebie Commissions. Then down here is the social images builder. And then all of these right here are going to be your upsells, which we're going to get into right now. So let's go ahead and dive into these upsells. So the front end price for the early bird from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. is going to be $21.97. It's going to go up at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to $23.97, and then on day 2, it's going to go all the way up to $25.97. So definitely get in there earlier to get that cheaper price for Freebie Commissions. Now, OTO number 1 is the unlimited version. This is $97, but there's going to be a downsell for $47. This gives you the ability to basically use this unlimited, create unlimited campaigns, unlimited bonuses, all that inside of this app. OTO number 2 is done for you funnels. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. That gives you 3 more products, 3 more done for you funnels. So everything's included. The images, the copy, the products are there. So everything is included. So 3 more products. So if you're going to be getting any of the upsells, I actually do recommend OTO 2 because it's going to give you 3 more products to promote. You're only given 2 inside of the front end, and this is going to give you 3 more that you can promote done for you, so you don't have to do any work except plug in your autoresponder and plug in your affiliate link. OTO number 3 is automatic traffic flow. This is what it is right here. So it gives you all kinds of different training on how to get tons more traffic. But I will be covering all of that in my bonuses, so I don't actually really recommend this unless you really, really want more training on traffic, because I'm going to have that covered in my bonuses. Now, OTO number 4 is conversion boosting tools, and that is right here. So this allows you to put in your Facebook pixel, Facebook comments, so you can actually have people commenting so that there's more social proof that people are actually getting into your funnel and getting that free product, and they can leave comments reviewing the process and how it went for them. Also a Facebook chat widget, you can put that on your pages as well. All of that inside of the conversion boosting tools. And the conversion boosting tools cost $67, but there's a $47 downsell. OTO number 5 is the bonus page builder. This is what I was talking about earlier. This allows you to actually create bonuses. So you just click on create. So this is the bonus builder app that I was talking about earlier. All you're going to have to do is just click on this button, and it automatically loads the sales page and the downloads page template right here, and then you can customize the colors inside this customization box. So now let's go ahead and talk about the last OTO, which is just the license rights. This allows you to basically sell Freebie Commissions as your own product. So you can basically use this system, get people into this system, and keep 100% of the commissions that you're going to be making with this system. So instead of giving away done for you, products inside the system, you're actually giving the system away to other people and getting 100% of those commissions. So this is definitely a great product to try out the license rights if that's something that you're interested in. That's a good price right there, $197 with a downsell of $97. So that is everything that comes with the Freebie Commissions web app and the training and everything included with this product. Now, once again, if you're interested at all in the bonuses and Freebie Commission, all you have to do is click on the link down below this video. It'll take you to my bonus page, and you can check out all those bonuses that I have created for you as long as you do it before the timer ends. So thank you so much for checking out my Freebie Commissions review. I'm David the Infoman. I will see you next time.